Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. If there's one thing you should know about the tech world, it's that it moves fast. Things are changing at lightning speed, and right now, all eyes are on generative AI. But just when you thought it couldn't get any hotter, Amazon Web Services went and dropped a bombshell at their recent AWS summit in Washington, D.C., announcing a series of major updates to Amazon Bedrock, their fully managed generative AI service. So, what's got everyone so hyped? Just wait, because we're diving deep into the latest and greatest from AWS, including the most powerful foundation models available. You won't want to miss this. First up is some exciting news from Meta. They've just released their newest Llama models, the Llama 3.1 series, and they're available right now on Amazon Bedrock. We're talking 8 billion, 70 billion, and a jaw-dropping 405 billion parameter models, guys. And according to Meta, that 405 billion parameter model is one of the best and largest publicly available foundation models out there. It's going to set a whole new standard for what's possible with generative AI. Now, I know a lot of you are working with smaller models, and you're probably thinking, what's in it for me? Well, these massive models are going to revolutionize the way we train and improve those smaller models through a process called model distillation. Think of it like this. The 405 billion parameter model is like a super-powered brain, and it's going to share its knowledge with the smaller models, making them smarter and more efficient. This is huge, my friends. We're talking about next-level general knowledge, math skills, tool use, and even multilingual translation, all thanks to the power of Llama 3.1. But wait, there's more. Amazon isn't just handing you these amazing models and calling it a day. They've also supercharged Bedrock with AWS Trainium, their custom-designed machine learning chip. What does that mean for you? It means faster training, faster inference, and lower costs. We're talking up to a 50% reduction in costs compared to using traditional GPUs. That's huge, especially for those of you working with massive models and complex workloads. Trainium is a game changer, and it's going to make working with models like Llama 3.1 smoother and more accessible than ever before. No more worrying about breaking the bank to train your models. AWS Trainium has got your back. And the good news keeps coming. Amazon Bedrock isn't just about Meta's Llama models. It's about bringing you the best AI has to offer from leading companies, and today, they announced that Mistral Large 2 is joining the party. This powerful large language model is making waves with its state-of-the-art reasoning, enhanced knowledge, better coding capabilities, and the ability to generate JSON. And the best part? It's multilingual by design. That's right. This means it can understand and generate text in dozens of languages, including English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and many more. This is groundbreaking for developers and businesses looking to create global applications and connect with a wider audience. But building a sophisticated generative AI application involves more than just having powerful models. You need tools to evaluate them, right? Amazon heard you. Now you can evaluate your conversational AI agents at scale with agent evaluation. I know a lot of you are developing chatbots and virtual assistants, and testing those can be a real pain. You've got to manually come up with all these scenarios, type in responses, and it's just time-consuming. Well, say goodbye to manual testing and hello to automation. This new open-source solution leverages the power of LLMs on Amazon Bedrock to thoroughly test your conversational agents. It simulates real-world user interactions, assesses the agent's responses, and even generates detailed reports to help you identify areas for improvement. You can even integrate agent evaluation into your existing workflows for a seamless development process. Now, you might be wondering, how are companies actually putting all this awesome AI tech to use? Well, let's talk about Fanatics, the global leader in sports merchandise. They just wrapped up an amazing generative AI hackathon with Amazon as a key partner, and the results were phenomenal. With the support of AWS experts and using tools like Amazon Bedrock and Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, Fanatics teams built over 30 proof-of-concept projects in just 3 days. We're talking personalized shopping experiences, AI-powered content creation, and even more efficient operations. Fanatics is a prime example of how companies are diving headfirst into generative AI to revolutionize their businesses and provide incredible experiences for their customers. The future of fan engagement is here, and it's powered by AI. But hold on a second, guys. With all this talk about groundbreaking AI, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility, right? That's why I was thrilled to see Amazon co-hosting an event with the Atlantic Council's Geotech Center during the AWS Summit called An Allied Approach in the Age of AI. They brought together top U.S. government officials, diplomats, and private sector leaders to discuss, you guessed it, responsible AI. They dove deep into building ethical AI systems, fostering collaboration between the public and private sectors, and making sure we're using this technology for good. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about building cool tech. It's about building a better future for everyone. Speaking of a better future, healthcare is another industry that's being revolutionized by AI. That's right. GE Healthcare just announced a major collaboration with Amazon Web Services to develop even more powerful generative AI models, specifically designed for healthcare. They're going to tackle the huge challenge of analyzing the mountains of medical data generated every single day. This partnership is going to lead to faster, more accurate diagnoses, more personalized treatment plans, and ultimately, better outcomes for patients. Just imagine a world where AI can help doctors sift through a patient's entire medical history and identify potential issues before they even become a problem. That's the kind of future that GE Healthcare and AWS are working towards, and I, for one, am incredibly excited about it. Now, for those of you who love the techie side of things, I've got something really cool to share. Amazon is taking another page out of Apple's playbook and going all in on custom silicon. We already know about their Graviton chips for general computing and Trainium for machine learning, but now they're testing their very own AI chips specifically designed for inference. Why is this a big deal? Well, because it means Amazon can potentially cut their reliance on NVIDIA's expensive GPUs and offer more affordable AI services. We're talking about a potential price war in the AI chip market, and that's excellent news for anyone looking to build or deploy AI applications. So keep an eye on this space because things are about to get interesting. But it's not just Amazon making waves in the AI chip market. Tencent, the Chinese tech giant, and Microsoft are also jumping into the game with their own AI offerings for the gaming industry. Now, you might be thinking, AI and gaming? What's the connection? Well, it's huge. We're talking about using AI to create more realistic characters, generate immersive environments, and even develop smarter game bots. Imagine playing a game where the characters react to your choices dynamically, or the world around you changes based on your actions. That's the power of AI in gaming, and companies like Tencent and Microsoft are leading the charge. In fact, at the recent China Joy Gaming Expo, AI was a hot topic, with both companies showcasing their latest tools and platforms for game developers. So get ready for a whole new level of gaming, because the future is AI-powered. And last but not least, let's talk about Amazon SageMaker, the end-to-end machine learning service that's become a favorite among developers. Amazon just announced a major update to SageMaker Inference, making it faster and easier than ever to deploy and scale up your machine learning models, especially for those of you working with large language models. This new capability uses sub-minute metrics to detect changes in demand and automatically adjust the amount of computing power allocated to your models. In layman's terms, it means your models can handle sudden spikes in traffic without breaking a sweat. No more worrying about your application slowing down or crashing because of a surge in users. SageMaker's got you covered. And that's a wrap on the latest and greatest from the world of AI. As you can see, things are moving quickly, and Amazon is right there at the forefront, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. I'm incredibly excited about the future of AI, and I'll continue to bring you all the latest news and insights right here on All About AI Tech. I'm always striving to deliver the best content for you guys, and I'm working hard to build a community where we can all learn and grow together. So, if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. And be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the incredible world of AI.